Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you an update on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Now, there's a question I want to ask you guys. Coming up, they have put in a roundabout. Now, I'm curious as to why they put in a roundabout here. There you can see it. Now, straight ahead, this is the section between Harborview and heading towards Bull Bay. Now, why would they put in a roundabout here? I'm asking you guys to leave your comments in the section below as to why you think they would put in a roundabout. Now, there was a bridge here. Okay, we're just going to drive around the roundabout and show you, and then we'll look at the bridge. The existing main road was 2 lanes. And they are expanding the main road in this section to 4 lanes. From Harborview to 10 to 12 miles Bull Bay, the existing road is being upgraded to 4 lanes. Now, out here, the bridge or the existing main road had a 2-lane bridge. So they built a second bridge which was 2 lanes. So you have 2 bridges out here, which it was more feasible to build a new bridge than try to expand the existing bridge, especially with the road being used. So this is the new bridge that they built, and to the left is the existing bridge. So the traffic would break into 2 lanes basically to use, well, going from Harborview to Bull Bay, this is a bridge you would use, and going from Bull Bay to Harborview, you use a bridge on the left. So here you can see the dual carriageway. So they didn't need to put in a roundabout. They could have just diverted the 2 lanes depending on which bridge you're using and then join them back to the dual carriageway. So I'm asking you guys what you think was the reasoning behind putting in the roundabout. And you can see this is the 2 lanes here. It's a 4-lane dual carriageway between Harborview and Yalos. And they want to get 2 lanes out of the 4 lanes open to the public finished by the end of August, which is 2 weeks from now. So I just can't figure out why they put in a roundabout. And it's so coincidental that another major highway project is being done, which is Highway 2000. And you putting in the Maypen to Mandeville Leg, they're joining the new construction section to the existing highway. And they took out the roundabout there by Maypen. They took out the Maypen roundabout, and in this case they are putting in a roundabout. Now it works with the roundabout, don't get me wrong, but it could also work quite easily without the roundabout. So I'm not sure why they put it in, because this road has the Southern Coastal Highway, now the road we're looking at, it has brakes in the Jersey barrier so that you can turn left and right, and it's going to even have stoplights on it. So it's not a case, not sure why. So if anybody has any insights, you can leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video, and we will keep you updated on this project with weekly videos. Alright guys, have a good day.